Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimokucharts.com daily analysis for the Euro US dollar FX for Monday, April 27th. Well, we can see today that the market sold off quite substantially, and it brought an end to the first time frame uptrend that the market was in. Here we can see that we had a series of higher highs and higher lows in the candles, which means that we had a first time frame uptrend, and now we have a new first time frame downtrend established because we have a lower high and a lower low. If we look at the higher time frame trend, we can see that we have a series of lower peaks and lower troughs, so it's little wonder that once we rally to a certain point that this market was going to sell off. Now, interestingly, we can see how quite often at ichimokucharts.com we mentioned that the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen can act as an area of support or resistance, and we can see that the market rallied up to the Kijun-sen and it couldn't trade up through there. If we look at the top of the candle, this line here which is called the wick or the shadow, we can see that the market tried to rally there and sold off. That's essentially downside price rejection. So once the market rallied up to this level, it was sold off, and it's little wonder that it sold off down through here. Once again, if we look at the configuration of the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, the Tenkan-sen, the turning line is below the Kijun-sen, which means that the market is essentially bearish. If we look at the cloud or the Kumo, that at the moment has a bullish bent to it. Now, interestingly though, if we look at the size of the Kumo or the cloud, we know that the Kumo can tend to act as an area of support or resistance, and we can see here how it acted as resistance on this occasion, the market traded down, acted as support, and there was very little here of the cloud to hold this market. So it's a little wonder that it's been able to trade up through there and trade down through there. So essentially now the market has turned fairly bearish. I think that we'd probably be looking to be a seller, initially looking to this area down here as an area of support where we had some upside price rejection from the support around 128.95 or so. And if we look at the Tenkan-sen, the green line, we can see that that's now beginning to point down very strongly. And it looks as though this market is now going to regain the momentum that it had here previously and on this occasion here, but probably not as strong as the previous occasion, but still it looks like that they will approach that type of strength. So quite bearish at the moment, looking for the market to hold up down around this level.